Welcome student in our mathematics class of class 9. Topic is that is quadrilateral, and we have to discuss today the midpoint theorem of exercise 8.2. What is the theorem? The line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and equal to half of it. First of all, we draw the figure. The line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle. Suppose this be a triangle ABC, be a triangle, and D and E, D be midpoint of AB and E is also midpoint of AC. What is our given? That is given is in triangle ABC, D and E, D and E be midpoint of AB and AC, that is respectively. And we have to, what is our proof? That is two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. Now our proof is that is DE parallel to BC and DE is equal to 1 by 2 BC. We can draw any construction in this figure. Now our construction is from C produce DE to F. Suppose this produce DE to, that is X, and draw CF which is parallel to AB. Now write produce DE to X, draw CF parallel to CF which is also parallel to AB. Okay, meet DX at F. Now we have to prove, first of all, triangle ADE is congruent to triangle EFC. Now our solution is, first, that is here E is midpoint of AC, so A is equal to EC, and this line is parallel to CF, so this one angle is also equal to, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This is vertically opposite angle. Now we have to write in triangle ADE and triangle CEF. First we have to write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because due to alternate interior angle. Why? Because AB is parallel to CF and this is be transversal, this line be, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Again AE is equal to EC because E is midpoint of AC which is given, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4, that is vertically opposite angle. So triangle ADE congruent to triangle EF by angle side angle. If these two triangles are congruent, therefore the remaining parts are equal. Therefore AD is also equal to CF. AD is equal to CF and angle this, it means angle 4 is also equal to, now here that is angle 5 and angle 4 is equal to angle 5. So if this angle 4 is equal to angle 5, AD is equal to CF, therefore this implies that AD parallel to CF, which this is the CPCT. Okay, and this one take, this is equation 1. Now again, but our construction is, that is AB is parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF. Again look here, that is this one is AD is equal to CF and D is midpoint of AB. Since D is midpoint of AB, which is given, therefore AD is equal to DB. Now, and AD is equal to CF and AD is equal to CF, we have to prove. From these two, this implies that DB is also equal to CF, DB is also equal to CF and DB parallel to CF. Because AB parallel to CF, therefore DB is also parallel to CF. So DB is parallel to CF and DF is also parallel to BC. Therefore this implies that if these two are parallel, BD is equal to CF. Since BD is equal parallel to CF and BD is equal to CF, BD is equal to CF, this implies that BCF be parallelogram, and if DBCF be parallelogram, therefore DF is also parallel to BC. This implies that DF parallel to BC and DF is also equal to BC. This one is equation 2. And if triangle ADE congruent to CEF, therefore DE is equal to EF, right here, that is if this is congruent, therefore DE is equal to EF by CPCT of the congruency. So we can write here, that is since therefore this is the parallelogram, and since DF is equal to BC, now from here since DF is equal to BC, so we have to write what is DF. DF is equal to DE plus EF. Now write, that is DE plus DEF is equal to BC. Here that is write DF is equal to DE plus EF, and now DE plus EF and DE is equal to EF है, so this implies that DE plus DE is equal to BC, and here write that is EF is equal to DE. ये already proved है by CPCT से. Okay, 2DE is equal to BC. This implies that DE is equal to 1 by 2 BC. Look here, that is DF parallel to BC, and again since we have to write DF parallel to BC, this implies that DE is also parallel to BC. From these two, that is equation 3 and 4, this is the proof. Here look here, that is what is our proof? That is DE parallel to BC and DE is equal to 1 by 2 BC. Now this is our proof. Okay, this is the proof of the midpoint theorem. Thank you.